Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever wanted to run Windows or Linux on your Mac, you're at the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install VMware Fusion step by step and Kali Linux into it. So let's get started. Whether you're a developer, a gamer, or just curious about experimenting with different OS environments, VMware Fusion is one of the best options out there. And it's free. So grab your Mac and sit back and let's get started. I've provided with the link to the website wherein it takes you to VMware Fusion and Workstation. Once you click onto it, you'll be redirected to Broadcom. Now, since I've already registered myself, I will be directed to the dashboard wherein under downloads, I'll click on free downloads and then I'll click on VMware Fusion. But if you haven't registered yet, you have to register first. So once you click onto it, you'll have the product, which is VMware Fusion 13, and you click onto the latest one. You check in the boxes and start your download. So once it gets downloaded, you have to open it. But before that, I want you guys to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials in the future. So once you get the VMware installed, you need to have the Kali Linux ARM already installed in your desktop. So once you open it, you can, since I already have my virtual machines installed, but in order for you to install them, you just have to drag and drop the image disk and you'll be able to have your own virtual machines. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is how you can install your virtual machines in your M1 or Apple Silicon MacBooks.